We've done straight restorations on a 66 911, a 69 911E, 77 Targa. Last year we did a modification. This year we wanted to do something different, something unexpected. We've got a very talented team. You know, after 4 years, successful years, of being in the Porsche Restoration Challenge, we knew we can count on our team to come up with something very unique. And that's why we picked the 914 and its unique place in Porsche history. The Porsche 914 has become something of a cult classic. It's pretty unique in and of itself, and we didn't want to go just to straight restoration. We wanted to make it into something more. We wanted to make it into something that the community here locally in Tucson would appreciate. They've been with us, supporting us through every restoration challenge, so wanted this year to be a chance for the community to have some say. You know, before we did any work on this year's project, we set up an event, made a few renderings, put out some color samples, and we talked to folks about what they would like to see us do for this year's project.
What I see is some fender flares, raising the suspension. It could be a cool car.
Because of its condition and the kind of car it is, I think I would just leave it, the exterior exactly how it is, and just run it like a patina kind of, and drive it just like that.
Bronze wheels, dark brown interior, light bar, jacked up with larger wheels, something really different and unusual.
You know, it was a mixed bag of ideas, and we were surprised by the variety of thoughts on what this car should look like. But with all that feedback, we went right to work. Our team really put their heart and soul into this project. You know, from the fine little touches like the number 5 representing our 5th entry into the Restoration Challenge, to the Porsche shields on the roof rack. Through it all, it was great watching everything come together. The most exciting part was revealing the car to the community that gave us the ideas in the first place.
My team that built this car is incredible. It's one-off. Where are you going to find something like this? Nowhere. It's just a cool car.
It's a beautiful car. The color is fantastic. It's definitely Tucson.
Definitely my first reaction was awesome. You know, out of the park, I can see the whole integration of the vehicle, how the car was flared out, and also the color is outstanding.
This is by far their best work that they have done yet. When the cover came off, I had goosebumps. This is really a spectacular car.
Revealing that final look to the community, they got to see their input brought to life and see firsthand that their voices were heard. It really means a lot to us to be able to do that. The Porsche 914 initially broke the mold. We wanted to embody that legacy by breaking the mold again in our own way. With help from our community, I think we've come up with something that celebrates innovation and craftsmanship, but still preserves the character and tradition of the Porsche 914.